Hello, today we will guide you through how to change background on Zoom Workplace. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to update your background while using Zoom Workplace so your video looks cleaner, more professional, or simply a little more personalized. This is especially useful if you're joining meetings from a busy room or just want a more polished appearance on camera. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access all of its meeting controls without interruption. If Zoom needs a moment to start up, just wait until the main screen is visible. Once the app is open, go ahead and open a sample meeting. This gives you a live preview of how your camera and background will appear, which makes it much easier to adjust settings before joining an actual call. Using a sample meeting is a practical way to test everything in advance. After the meeting window opens, look toward the bottom of the screen for the three-dot menu. This is sometimes labeled as More, and it contains additional settings that are not shown directly on the main toolbar. If your toolbar is hidden, move your mouse slightly and it should appear. When you find the three dots, click on them to open the menu. This will reveal more options related to your meeting controls and personal settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Zoom stores the customization options for audio, video, and visual effects. Opening Settings will allow you to make changes to how your camera feed appears. Next, select Video and Effects. This section is specifically designed for camera-related adjustments, including appearance settings and background tools. If you want to improve how you look on screen, this is the area you'll usually return to. Inside Video and Effects, click on Virtual Background. This is the setting that lets you replace your real background with a digital image. Zoom may offer several built-in options, depending on your version of the app. Now select a sample background from the available choices. As soon as you click one, Zoom should apply it to your video preview so you can immediately see the result. If one background doesn't look quite right, you can try another until you find one that fits the setting and tone you want. After you've chosen your background, you're all set. Take a quick look at your preview to make sure the background appears clean and your image is clear. Better lighting and a plain space behind you can help virtual backgrounds look smoother and more natural. That's how to change your background on Zoom Workplace.